Hey, this is my channel. Tomorrow is Lit to Travel, where we make every day better than the last. And my name's Maurice. And if you like to travel, you're gonna love my channel. Even if you don't, you might just start liking it a little bit more today. So sit back, relax, get a drink, and watch my channel. You're gonna learn something new today. But if you never traveled first class, business class, or any class other than economy, today, I'm going to show you a nice redemption where you could pick your choice. You could fly economy or you could fly business. And it's going to be a lovely, lovely flight. And today, we're going to Seoul, South Korea. If you don't know too much about South Korea, let me tell you a few things. South Korea is one of the places that have the largest indoor theme park. Beautiful. And it has over 10,000, 10 million people. So you know that's a lot of people. And there's this real fun fact that really just blew my mind when I heard about it. You see how we have birthdays here, and then that's how we get older? Over there, every New Year's, when New Year's Eve hit, and then when New Year's Day strike, that's when everybody gets a year older by age. Not on your birthday, not the day you was born. It's every new year. Everybody gets older, one age. That's different. That's unique. And it's so cultural and that's their lifestyle and it's cool. And the more you travel, the more you're going to find out things about the world and understand the beauties of this place, the beauties that this place holds. But if you like that, let's get into the show. Let's go. Hey, we're going to start today on American Airlines. This is one of my favorite places to redeem points. But as of the moment, the only credit card that is redeemable or only place that you could redeem your points are Marriott Bonvoy. They are one of the transfer partners to American Airlines and Bilt credit card that has a transfer points that you could transfer points to this airline. But recently, Bilt just canceled their contract with American Airlines. So this will be expiring, but it hasn't expired yet. So this trip is still doable if you have that Bilt card or if you have the Bonvoy, Marriott, and you can always use some of those points, use some of those points and put them all together. But let's get into the video. When I'm booking, I like to always click the button redeem miles. And me, I like to book a one-way. If you know me by now, if you watch my previous videos, you know I'm a one-way type of guy. And that's just because just in case something happens, just in case anything goes wrong on one of my other flights or one of my layover flights, it won't interrupt anything of my lifestyle, what's going on. And just in case I want to stay a little bit long, I'm having more fun. That's always a thing too. So we're gonna start today on the West Coast. We're gonna start all the way in Hawaii, Honolulu. And then from Hawaii, we're gonna go to Seoul, South Korea. And the date that we're gonna go is on June 20th, 2024. We're gonna go in a nice time when it's hot. And it depends how many adults you have. Pick how much passengers, pick class, pick everything, and then let's click search. I always want to give you the best and the lowest rates possible. every time we book in these flights. I want to make you to know that there's a whole bunch of other airlines you could take, but those redemptions on those airlines are going to be a lot higher than the ones that I'm showing you. The ones that I'm showing you, I did my research, I looked over, and these are ones that gives you the lowest redemption, lowest numbers I've seen. So let's see how low we could get this. Ooh. They have a one-way for 32,000 miles, $5, and it's a 10-hour flight. Nice. And they have a business class that's 52,000.5 miles. And it's the same $5. Oh, and a great part about all of this is it has larger, more comfortable seats, and you get 2 free check bags. And you get priority boarding. Wow, amazing. Let's check the calendar and see if we can get even cheaper rates. This is my favorite place to look. 32. Wow, that looks like that's the going rate for economy. 32,000 points. And the highest is 52,000 points, just like business class. But let's click on another day and see. Is the cheapest rate that we're gonna find in business class. While we're looking through this calendar, this is the great place to use, and this is the great tool you can use where you don't have to click through dates. You can pull up a whole month's view and see exactly which date has the cheapest rate. And it's up to you to pick to see which date works for you. So now let's go to the hotel. I love Hyatt. I love Hyatt a lot because they have a lot of transfer partners than the rest. And there are a lot more. There's a few Hyatt properties in Seoul, South Korea. So now we're gonna look through the options to see. Ooh, they have a Grand Incheon. I don't know if I'm saying that wrong. If I am, my bad. And they have the Park Hyatt Seoul for 25,000 points. And then they also have the Andaz Seoul Gangnam. They all are terrific and beautiful places. And these are probably other Hyatts that this one's probably not available at the moment. Maybe it's not available on points. And if you learned anything today, please drop a like, a comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you learned. Let me know what your takeaway was. Let me know if you're going to take this trip to South Korea. If this sounds like a place you might just want to go, let me know. Or if there's some places that you do want to go, you could drop it down below and let me know. Let me know. And I have a free VIP school group where we go over redemptions, more advanced and redemptions, and we go over accumulating points and different methods and different ways on how we accumulate points. All in my free school group. So we're gonna go over all of that in the free school. If you want to know more, you want to hear more, see more, then drop that and hit that bell notification so you can catch my new updates every time it drop. And join my school where we're gonna learn so much more. But until next time, peace.